water dance.
Yes.
Wow, wow.
Those our great mother teach us the dance. So she has really
The combi.
a combi.
That's the spirit dance.
Yes. So
The dance is from the water.
yeah.
Originated from the water. Egumiri.
Your mother, your mother. Who is your mother again?
You want to know everything.
No.
No ask. So see,
Your mother.
when you are from Ibuno, you understand?
Mm.
When you lost from the sea, sometimes they will not see you. You just go.
Wait, if an indigene here gets drowned,
Yes.
they won't see the person again.
Yes. That's the number one thing.
I thought beach normally. The beach carry person. After some days, you go throw the person,
Yes,
bring the
but
person out.
to our own, you just remain there. You have gone, you have gone. That's the end of your life.
Wow.
So you died a happy death. Is it what?
Yes, he's very happy for you to return back to where you come from.
Wow. So,
But have there been KC food inside the fisherman's soup?
Soup, and you will enjoy it. If
They
you
sell it here.
this is it.
they sell it too.
Oh my god.
But
Fisherman's
it will be
soup.
very cost. So now,
There is this food I do hear about, ipankuko or something like that.
ekpankupo.
Uh,
It's like us saying jollof rice. We use banana to do it. We still use cassava to do it.
to do it. Wow.
Yes. So it's very nice to those who know how to prepare it. It's very nice to those who know how to prepare it. If you don't know how to do it, that's the common dish that we have here.
Mm.
That be you who you will eat it as long as you are from Akwa Ibom State. We respect that food a lot. Do celebrate the days that we have community. We do celebrate. Like they say, Eke Market Day, they celebrate like that.
Okay.
Those things are
Igbo.
yes, in Igbo. So we do celebrate it.
They say it's called ayam makara. So they put it on the roof so there won't be leakage. Okay. We got ayam makara. Is it edible? Can you eat it? Okay.
We have not, I've not seen
Ayam makara sounds like ayam matanga of those days. Yeah, which language Calabar people speak?
Efik, yes. Then we speak Ibibio.
Video.
Yes. So now, the way they speak their own dialect is different from us.
Okay. But it's somehow similar.
Yeah, yeah. You understand what they're
Efik
saying?
and Ibibio. It's quite similar because I've heard someone speaking Efik. I'll be like, nah, Akwa Ibom. That's why in Nigeria you hear they generalize everybody. Calabar, both Akwa Ibom, because they just generalize everybody. Na Calabar people.
So we Calabar people, now them they make everybody know us like say we dey do that thing. So
Okay.
Akwa Ibom State are very special.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Now I get the two way you talk. Now I understand the two way you say. Now you make them know there is that thing. So okay, Akwa Ibom is very special.
Okay,
Yes.
the Calabar girls are not the Akwa Ibom
Akwa
girls.
Ibom, yeah.
Okay. What is wrong?
Yes. Okay, I don't do it again. I don't do it again. Why you can't just say we dey check? Yes, you do eat dog, but dog does not make you to go and fornicate.
Okay.
I don't tire. It's not.
For-
Yes, it's because of dog. If you
404.
eat- Like me, I do eat a lot of dog, and
Is there dog around here?
yes, I don't know if I'm
You
strong.
don't eat dog meat. There is that here.
That's why I'm very strong. Don't carry your wife come out. Give her a million.
I did die.